Google just dropped something that's going to change everything about how you run your business. This thing automates your entire workflow without writing a single line of code. While everyone else is still copying and pasting emails and manually updating spreadsheets, you're about to learn how to let AI do all of that for you. And the crazy part? Most people are going to sleep on this for months. Hey there, so if you haven't already noticed, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And listen, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So here's what most people don't understand yet. Google just built an automation platform right inside the tools you already use every single day. Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Calendar, all of it. And they made it so simple that if you can write a sentence, you can build an AI agent that works for you 24/7. Let me tell you why this matters right now. Every business owner I talk to says the same thing. They're drowning in busy work, responding to the same emails over and over, copying data from one place to another, scheduling meetings back and forth like it's 1995. And all of that is stealing time away from actually making money. That's where Gemini Flows comes in. This isn't just another AI tool that sounds cool but does nothing. This is Google taking all the power of Gemini AI and plugging it directly into your workspace. You can literally tell it what you want to happen, and it builds the whole automation for you. Here's a real example. Let's say you get a ton of emails from potential customers every day. Right now, you probably read each one, figure out if they're serious, copy their info into a spreadsheet, and then maybe follow up later if you remember. With Gemini Flows, you set it up once, and it automatically reads every email, pulls out the important details, drops them into a Google Sheet organized by priority, and even drafts a response for you to review. All of that happens while you're sleeping. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated. It's not. Google built this with a visual builder. You drag things around, you connect boxes, you tell it what to do in plain English. No coding, no tech degree, just you explaining what you want to happen, and Gemini figures out how to make it work. And here's something most people are going to miss. This isn't just about saving time. It's about scaling your business without hiring more people. If you can automate the repetitive stuff, you can handle way more customers with the same team. That's more revenue without more overhead. I used to work full-time as a mechanic, hands covered in grease every day, and I loved it, but I wanted something different. When I discovered tools like this, tools that let you automate and scale without a massive team, everything changed. That's how I was able to transition to making money full-time online, and now I help other people do the same thing. So let me break down what Gemini Flows actually does. First, it connects all your Google apps together. Gmail talks to Sheets. Sheets talks to Calendar. Calendar talks to Drive. Everything flows automatically based on the rules you set up. Second, it uses Gemini AI to understand context. It's not just moving data around like a robot. It actually reads and understands what's happening. Third, it gives you templates to start with. Google already built out common workflows that businesses use every day. Things like lead management, meeting scheduling, email organization, project tracking. You can grab one of those, tweak it for your business, and go live in minutes. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can build multi-step workflows with conditions. That means you can say things like, if this email mentions pricing, send it to sales. If it mentions a problem, send it to support. If it's from a VIP customer, notify me immediately. All of that logic just works. Let me give you another example. Let's say you run a service business and you're constantly scheduling calls with clients. Right now, that probably means a dozen emails back and forth trying to find a time that works. With Gemini Flows, someone emails you asking for a meeting, and the system automatically checks your calendar, suggests 3 available times, sends that back to them, and when they pick one, it books the meeting and sends both of you a confirmation. You didn't touch any of it. Or think about this. You get invoices and receipts in your email all the time. Instead of manually downloading them and filing them away, Gemini Flows can watch for those emails, extract the invoice details, save the PDF to the right folder in Drive, and log all the information in a spreadsheet for your bookkeeper. Completely hands-off. Now, here's what most people are doing wrong with AI automation tools. They try to automate everything at once. They build these massive, complicated workflows that break, and then they give up. Don't do that. Start small. Pick one annoying task that eats up 30 minutes of your day. Automate that. Get it working smoothly, then move to the next thing. If you're finding this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick Ponte reads every single comment on these videos, so drop a comment and let me know what tasks you want to automate first. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. It also includes an exclusive link to try out the AI software I use in my business for 30 days free. The link's in the description. The other mistake people make is they don't think about the business model here. If you're running an agency or you're a consultant or a freelancer, this is how you add massive value to your clients without adding massive work to yourself. You set up these automations for them once, they pay you monthly to maintain and improve them, and you're not trading hours for dollars anymore. Think about a local business owner. Maybe they run a dental office or a law firm or a real estate agency. They're getting buried in administrative work. You come in and say, hey, I can automate your lead follow-up, your appointment scheduling, your client communication, and your reporting. They pay you $2,000 to set it up and $500 a month to manage it. You spend a few hours setting it up, maybe an hour a month checking in. That's recurring revenue with great margins. And here's the thing. Most business owners have no idea this technology exists yet. They're still doing everything manually. So if you get in now, while this is still new, you're going to be the only person in your market offering this. That's a huge advantage. Let me show you some specific workflows that are working right now. Email summarization. If you're getting hundreds of emails a day, Gemini Flows can read them all, summarize the important ones, and give you a daily digest with action items. Instead of spending 2 hours reading email, you spend 10 minutes reviewing summaries. Lead management is another big one. When someone fills out a contact form on your website, that information can automatically go into a Google Sheet, get scored based on how qualified they are, trigger a personalized email response, and create a task for your sales team to follow up. All of that happens instantly. Customer support workflows are huge too. When a support email comes in, the system can categorize it by urgency, check if it's a common question, and send a pre-written answer or route it to the right person on your team with all the context they need. Response times go way down. Customer satisfaction goes way up. Now let's talk about the technical side for a second. You don't need to be technical to use this, but it helps to understand how it works. Gemini Flows uses natural language processing. That means you describe what you want in regular sentences, and the AI figures out how to build it. You can say something like, when I get an email with an attachment, save that attachment to my Drive folder and add the sender's name to my contact list. Gemini translates that into actual workflow steps. But here's what makes this different from other automation tools. Gemini actually understands content. If you're using something like Zapier, it's just moving data from point A to point B. It doesn't know what the data means. Gemini can read an email and understand if the person is happy or frustrated. It can read a document and pull out the key points. That intelligence makes the automations way more powerful. The financial impact of this is real. If you can save 2 hours a day with automation, that's 10 hours a week, 50 hours a month. If your time is worth $100 an hour, that's $5,000 a month in value, and that's just for one person. Scale that across a team and the numbers get huge. Plus, when you're not spending time on repetitive tasks, you can focus on things that actually grow your business. Strategy, sales, relationships, the high value stuff that moves the needle, that's where the real money is made. Now, I want to be clear about something. This isn't going to replace you. It's not going to run your entire business on autopilot while you sit on a beach. What it does is handle the boring, repetitive stuff so you can focus on the important decisions and the creative work. You're still in control. You're just way more efficient. Here's something else to think about. As you build more automations, they start working together. Your lead management flow might feed into your project management flow, which feeds into your reporting flow. You're creating a system where everything connects and data flows smoothly through your entire operation. That's when things get really powerful. If you're offering this as a service, you can charge setup fees plus monthly management. I've seen people charging anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 for setup depending on complexity, and $300 to $1,000 per month for ongoing management. The margins are good because once it's set up, the maintenance is minimal. The market for this is huge. Every business needs better workflows. Every business is trying to do more with less. And most businesses don't have someone on staff who knows how to build these automations. That's your opportunity. Here's what I think happens over the next year. Early adopters start using Gemini Flows now and get a massive advantage. They're more efficient, more scalable, and more profitable. Everyone else keeps doing things the old way and falls behind. Then in 6 months or a year, everyone catches on and it becomes table stakes. So the question is, do you want to be early or late? Do you want to be the person showing other businesses how to do this, or the person trying to catch up later? All right, so here's your action plan. 1, get access to Google Workspace with Gemini Flows enabled. 2, pick one repetitive task in your business that wastes your time every day. 3, build or customize a flow to automate that task. 4, test it and refine it until it works smoothly. 5, move on to the next task. The businesses that win in the next few years are the ones that embrace AI automation early. Not because it's trendy or cool, but because it actually makes you more efficient and more profitable. This is one of those rare moments where the technology is ready, it's accessible, and most people aren't using it yet. So if you're serious about this, go grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I go way deeper on how to get higher paying AI subscription-based clients, and I'll give you access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software tool that I use to get clients and also run my business. Plus, you'll get access to a community with over 21,000 other AI agency owners who are all building this stuff right now. The link's in the description and in the comments. Look, I get it. There's a new AI tool every single week. It's overwhelming. But this one is different because it's built by Google, it's integrated into tools you already use, and it solves a real problem that every business has. It's not flashy, it's not gimmicky, it just works. So go check it out. Start small. Build a single automation, see how it feels to have AI doing work for you, while you focus on bigger things. And if you found this valuable, let me know in the comments what you're going to automate first. I read every single one, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.